Nakatry na ba kayo ng sumasayaw na barbecue? Dahil ito yung sikat na Pork Barbecue XL ni Lola Ote. And they call themselves home of the best barbecue. Hey mga didis, malaki-laki yung space nila and maaliwalas din. And they have pretty good amount of parking spaces. And tara guys, try na natin yung mga barbecue nila. And in fairness guys, I can see why people love it kasi it really has that smoky taste and their marination is sweet and savory but not overly sweet naman.
Mas get itong inihaw ni baboy.
And then for their Pork Barbecue XL naman, I just wish na medyo mas tender pa. But overall guys,
I like their barbecue. It's something you would come back for.
for drinks guys, I got their Buko Pandan Shake and it's so refreshing.
For their pork dish, we got their sugpa sa Bicol Express.
Nakakatuwa lang, parang it's a western dish kasi ang ganda ng pagka-present. But when you eat it, it's full of Filipino flavors.
I super like this one.
It's actually very tender despite na grilled siya. Siguro i-char pa nila ng konti pa para mas magustuhan ko. Char. And of course, let's not forget fried rice. Para i-pair natin sa kanilang crispy sisig. Ito yung sisig na hindi masyadong creamy at puro ng laman.
And it doesn't feel fatty. Pag merong rice, aside sa sisig, ano meron? Edi kare-kare guys.
Masarap lahat ng grilled vegetables dito at meron talagang puso ng
Yan,
saging.
totoong puso na saging rin ang gamit.
Tapos yung kare-kare sauce naman, very thick. Tapos yung meat nila is talagang yung mga ginagamit sa kare-kare tulad ng tuwalya at yung oxtail.
Oh guys, talagang oxtail ang gamit nila. Kaya alam mong legit kare-kare.
And yung bagoong naman nila, nakakaiba rin. Medyo manamis-namis. Tapos share ko na rin.
Super love the texture of the banana blossom. Ganito talaga siya.
And of course, meron din silang mga chicken inasal. And it was pretty good. Medyo dry lang for me.
So yun guys, we also have soup. And guess what? They also have
Ginataang kuhol. Di ko in-expect na merong ganito dito kasi usually, di ba, walang ganito sa menu.
guys, nakuha na natin yung kuhol ng buo. Oh, yan. Kung nakuha niyo ng buo tong kuhol, gaganda love life niyo. Sa mga snail lovers yan, you should definitely try this out.
Yung sabaw naman natin today ay tinolang halaan. And true to its name, lasang tinolangan na may halaan.
Kulang na lang pasta. Meron na akong tinolang pasta halaan.
Very comforting siya pero sana nailabas yung tamis nung clam. And for our last course ay wow, fine dining yarn. Ito naman yung fried leche flan nila. Ang daming components at pwede mong i-mix up ang mga flavor.
Super yum na itong dessert nila, muscat.
And meron din silang maha blanca na panna cotta.
Nasa yung latik. Yung coconut, not so much. Pero ayan, ma-corn.
So ayun lang guys. Overall, masarap si Lola Ote. Hindi lang yung kanilang BBQ at pati na rin yung mga main dishes nila. Perfect rin siya for gatherings. Hihi!